How to get Xanwood Marker in Find The Markers Roblox 2025 easy. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to start on the base plate. Like the Xanwood Marker is located in the base plate biome near the edge of the map, and you have to locate the inconspicuous black triangular base plate. Look for the small black triangle shaped platform at the edge of the base plate. It's supple, and now you have to fall into the triangle, walk and jump off the main baseball into the black triangle. When you fall into it, you enter a secret area, and then you have to collect the marker. In that hidden spot, you'll see the Xanwood marker. Click it to add it to your collection. And let me give you some quick tips. Like, this marker is classified as medium difficulty. No tricky puzzles, just find the right spot and fall. Keeps an eye out for tiny triangular platforms in flat areas. It's a nod to the old Xanadu marker, which got cancelled, and marks the first Roblox hat themed marker. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.